Welcome to Tech Research. In this video, we will see Google Map are introducing biggest update. Inside the Google Map, you can access Google Gemini or Hey Google very easily, and Google Gemini are providing you interactive instruction. This route is toll free or this route is a traffic added live scenario providing how to access these features in your Google Map in your iPhone, no matter which types of phone you are using. Currently I am using an iPhone. I just simply start here. We will see my iPhone screen is here. So first of all, I just simply enter here in my Google Map. This is my Google Map. Tab here, profile picture, then setting, then navigation. You scroll down here. Look at this here, manage setting for Gemini, your AI assistant. Go hand free with Hey Google. If you ask here, Hey Google, so instruction can provide me. I just simply enable this one and then go back. Second thing, you need to install the Google Gemini application in your mobile phone. And third point, you need to enter here and type here map. Inside the map, you need to provide here the microphone always enable, so you can provide the instruction. So application can understand your instruction and provide the answer. Those 3 points you need to enable, and now we can start here our main instruction. Just simply enter here the Google Map, and if I search here one of the location like this location, and now say direction and start my journey in the car. Look at this here, top of the screen here the Gemini logo is showing. If I ask here, can you help me out, this route is the best?
Yes, it looks like you're on the best route to Tragarham. Traffic is normal for this time, and this is currently the fastest way to get there. You should arrive in about 29 minutes.
Look at this. If you ask here, any other route is the best to reach for this location?
The route you're on via the E20 is the fastest option. It's about 29 minutes to Tragarham with the current light traffic.
Yes, this is the one of the best and amazing features introducing by Google merging Gemini application in your Google Map. It's very easy. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.